today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that toss that I just did. So before we get into the tutorial, I want to make a quick announcement regarding my Etsy shop. I will not be able to take any whip orders this year. I wasn't sure last year when I shut it down to come to college what the summer would look like as far as taking orders, and I will not be able to do whips. However, I will for about 2 or 3 weeks in the middle of July be able to make crackers, replacement crackers for your whip. So I will open up the Etsy shop for that purpose. So I will not have any whips for sale, but I will have the crackers, and those will be available. I'll let y'all know when the exact date for that is going to be. So anyways, that's the update for my Etsy shop. So now let's get into the tutorial for the arm wrap, toss up, whatever you want to call it. So it's basically you can divide it up into 3 motions. So it's real handy for getting out of a volley and going into something else like a cattleman's. It's good for finishing a routine like that. So it's pretty simple to do. It's easier than it looks. So what you're gonna do is, when you're coming out of something like the reverse cattleman's or that second crack of a volley or fast figure 8, you're gonna toss up as if you're going to do a cattleman's crack, but you're gonna let it go all the way around and swing up, and it's gonna come past and hit your arm. Okay, just like that. You're gonna let it wrap around your elbow, your upper arm closer to your elbow, but not quite. Alright, so it'll look like this. Now it's not going to wrap all the way. What's going to happen is the thong's going to come, and then you're going to let go of the handle and grab the thong as it wraps up around your arm. So the first step looks like this from the side, and from the front. And you can see once you grab the thong, the handle wants to continue in that motion, and that's exactly what you want. And that's when you toss it and let go. So just get comfortable doing that, and you can just let it drop. So basically, so that's the first 2 motions. So that third motion is just catching it and swinging it back down and going into whatever crack you want to do. Obviously it's easiest to go into the cattleman's. So again, I'll show that from the side. And from the front. Alright, so as you can see, once you get that toss up going, you want to release it so that the whip will come up and the handle comes back down, and so you'll swipe down and grab it. I guess you could try catching it like this and experiment cracking a whip like this. It is doable, I guess, but you typically don't see that. So anyway, it's just a matter of getting the right amount of force into it, letting go at the right time, even flicking your wrist at the end. You know, just play around with it. And as you can see there, I spun it around enough to where it came this way, so I was able to catch it with my palm facing up. So depending how you want to catch it, how hard you throw it, you can get it to where it spins, to where the handle comes down like this, to where you'd have to catch it with your palm down. So as it comes down, you come in a downward motion, or it'll flip all the way around and you can just catch it like that and continue however. So something like that. And there's other variations, of course, you can do with toss-ups like that. So anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.